do English.
If you try to get your mental, you are ready.
Do them backwards.
It's so cute.
Do in Spanish.
A, B, C, D, E, F, I, U, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Do French.
A, B, C, D, U, F, D, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Do Italian.
B, G, D, A, F, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z.
Do German.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z.
Do Russian.
A, B, V, G, D, E, J, Z, I, Y, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, U, F, Y, Z, Z,
Do Hebrew. Yiddish. Do Yiddish.
I was give me those hey, but then that you come from men noon, some daddy face in tough.
Do Greek.
A, B, L, F, beta, gamma, it's the one, Z, A, the feta, I, Yoda, Gabo, new, say, I'm gonna buy road. I don't want to buy a Omega.
Good job. What other ones do you want to do? Turkish? Oh, do the Turkish one.
A, B, Z, D, F, G, U, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, W, P, R, S, T, U, V, Z.
Good job. What do we miss? Dutch? Want to do Dutch?
I, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, I, A, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, I, Z.
What about Norwegian?
S, D, E, F,
Move your hand. Do Norwegian now.
A, B, C, G. I don't know.
You don't?
No.
Okay, that's okay. What's the last letter of the Norwegian alphabet?
C, O.
Oh.